So today you have Rylie Jones taking care of this. That's my assistant for today. Alright, so we're going to be making the roll. I don't know how to do everything, so don't be scared. Alright.
I'm a little scared. I'm going to wash my hands real quick to help you. Hey, I'm just keeping it real, man.
Alright, so first you have to get the rice.
Oh, wait. Before you dig into the rice, what do we need to put on our hands?
Oil, whatever the thing is. Water.
Girl, have you not been watching my show?
Oil.
Sushi vinegar. Come over here.
I knew it.
So-
That's what oil is.
Okay, dip your hands in the vinegar. There you go. Come on, gotta get in there. There you go. Now you're going. What roll are we making today?
We are making a California roll, but like with this orange stuff.
We're making. Oh, I see. You're hungry. We want to make your roll. Well, first we have to.
I know how to make all the rolls.
Okay, so you're gonna make the California roll. Let's go
Yes.
with it.
All right. So after we got our sushi vinegar on, we gotta get some of this rice.
Okay.
You gotta scoop in there good, and you gotta get it.
Okay.
And see, when
Which-
sometimes that moves.
Which side are we supposed to put it on? Smooth or soft? I mean, the rough or the smooth side?
You're supposed to put it on the smooth side. No, the rough side.
Okay,
My
rough
bad.
side.
And you just gotta spread it all out there.
Okay, let's put this down and use our fingers. Can I help you?
Yes.
All right. So we're gonna
So you just like gotta
move it around, but we're not gonna smash it. We're gonna gently move it.
See, sometimes I have to help my assistant with this.
Okay, that's fine. So we're gonna move the rice around to all the edges. So is it okay if I narrate for you?
Sure.
Okay. What goes in the California roll?
So basically, you need some of this stuff.
Which is?
The salmon a little bit.
Okay, so the imitation crab, you just know what you like to eat, isn't it? Okay, so what we like to eat is the California roll. That's her favorite. And so it has in the imitation crab sticks. And this time looks like we have, oh, it's supposed to have the avocado. So let me get that for you. Since this is impromptu. Impromptu means you did this on the spur of the moment without giving mommy a heads up. But that's okay, we got this.
Alright, and see, after you're done putting all the sushi on there, now what you gotta do is go over to the bad baby sink.
Okay.
So you can't see me in camera view.
Okay. Wash. You gonna wash your
Yeah,
hands?
and you start washing.
Okay.
Yeah, start in there good. Get your hands out.
Okay.
Time to dry them.
Here's the towel, right here.
Thanks.
While you dry your hands, I'm gonna grab those sesame seeds for you.
Oh, if you didn't press the subscribe button, go ahead and go do it.
Here's your sesame
We
seeds.
can be waiting here all day.
No pressure, right? So go ahead and
There's pressure, baby.
sprinkle the sesame seeds
So
on.
you gotta sprinkle these sesame seeds.
We have black and white toasted sesame seeds. Be generous. Don't be stingy. Look at that. You shake. Whoa. All right, there we go.
So you gotta
Now,
get in there good.
okay, now we need to flip it. Can
Flip
I
it.
do it, or you want to do it?
You can.
Okay. Here we go.
See,
Flip.
my assistant, she likes doing things for me, but I'm okay with that because it saves me less work.
All right. So, what are your inside?
Alright, so for our inside, first we're gonna do this.
You want cucumbers?
Yes, please.
Okay. So a California roll can have cucumbers and avocado.
Mhm.
It is your choice because it's our house, our roll, our way. But the traditional California roll.
And keep in mind, if you have those small mouths like me, don't make the roll too big.
That's right. We have to keep it smaller. So we have the avocado. And what's next?
This.
The crab.
Yes.
So we're gonna pull out one crab stick and a
Is that
second
it?
one, but it's a little too big. What are we gonna do?
Cut it.
Okay. Whoa, hold on.
The bad baby.
Okay, watch those fingers. Okay.
It's so satisfying when you cut things.
Okay. There we go.
It's like the fun part of sushi.
There.
It gets satisfying.
Okay, are you ready to roll? You want to roll or me? I think you can do it. Let's go from this end. Thumbs under, fingers on top. Let me guide your hands. We're gonna pull forward and press. Press. There we go. Let's pull out. Let's look. Okay, that looks really good. Now let's pull this back.
I made it.
Of course, you're right. So let's roll again. You ready? Can you do this with me?
Yeah.
So we're gonna roll, press. Okay, let go.
Why do you have to keep checking on it?
We're gonna move it back. It's easier when it comes to the back of the mat. And then roll one more time. Come all the way forward until we close
It's
that
like a baby.
seam. There we go. All right.
He's
Let go.
always check on babies 24/7.
Yeah.
It's fat.
It's fat. It's done.
I'll cut it.
Hold on. What is it that we like to put on top?
Oh,
What is this?
these. It's fish eggs.
That's right. It's masago.
Masako.
So we find this in the freezer section
The freezer section
of the grocery stores.
of the grocery store.
Seafood.
Seafood.
There we go.
There we go.
Let's use this to help spread it on. Yeah. So here we're gonna spread that on top.
Look how good that looks.
Oh, that looks really good. That's your fave.
Close in, cameraman.
She wants a close up. There we go. All right, so we're gonna put that to the side, and let me help you with this knife. So first we need to clean the knife off with the sushi vinegar to prevent the rice from sticking. So we're gonna do that. And I will help you cut this. Oh, there's dance moves involved too? Okay, hold on, let's trim this real quick.
That
And trim
dancing does no sushi.
this. Oh, okay. Okay, hold on. Gotta get our fingers clean.
I learned how to cut.
You did?
Yes. By watching your channel. Her channel is amazing. You learn tons of things. So you can learn just like I did. A 10-year-old can learn everything about sushi.
Okay, so,
By this channel.
so we're gonna cut here. Hold up. So you're smashing. Let go.
See, you gotta keep checking up on it.
Hold on. There you go.
Cut it through like it's a cake.
There. Now all the way through. So let's put that back, and we need to make another cut. So hold on. We're gonna make a saw motion. Let go. Next. Make me a little nervous about my fingers. Hold on. There you go. Okay. Fingers. One more. Hold on. Watch my fingers. Well, with this one, let me do this one, okay? I want to keep my fingers. I like my fingers on the left side. There. All right. Thank you. Next.
See, you know how much you can learn from this channel? It's very, very helpful. And you get things like hot Cheetos.
Hot Cheetos? What do we do with those?
Sushi.
How do we use hot Cheetos in sushi? Tell me.
Okay, so basically, if you don't watch one, so basically you're supposed to crunch it up.
Uh-huh.
And then, after that, you can so that after it's all crunched up with all the spices still, then while you make your whole roll, you use it like this or something, and you sprinkle it on, you sprinkle all around.
Oh, you can use it as a topping?
Yes.
Do you have a video for that?
Yes, we do. Go look at that video if you want to know. And also, you can get not free, but you can get hot Cheetos out of it.
That's true. There's hot Cheetos involved. I'm game for that. So here we are. We're going to plate our roll.
And
Look at that. Look how pretty that is. You did an awesome job, Rylie.
And since I am the taste tester and all that jazz, I need to wash my hands.
Okay, you go wash your hands. Get ready for taste testing. Do you have your own chopsticks? Or are you just going to use your fingers?
My fingers. You can eat with chopsticks, fingers. I prefer fingers. I prefer to eat a whole. Cameraman, follow me.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all. I'm about to eat my sushi roll.
Well, how is it? You leave me in suspense. 1 minute? Okay.
Alright. Sorry that's a while. The roll is big for this tiny mouth. It was good. I really liked how like much of this what is that called? The little fish egg
Masago.
Masago.
Mhm.
I really like that. I don't really try this because usually I don't like that stuff. A lot of the other people in this house do. It's just not my cup of tea, so I don't like really eat these stuff. Also, that pink stuff I've always been scared of. All this other stuff, they are magnificent. And what I really like about all my rolls is that my favorite part is like that crab thing is good. Okay. Welcome to Sushi Sessions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications for further videos.